Going to Home Depot to find out what replacement parts they do, often if they do replacement parts. So we're going to call the number, see how it goes.
Please have your product model number or UPC code readily available to help expedite your call. If you are calling in reference to a Hampton Bay item you have already received, please press 2. For a Pegasus or Glacier Bay item, please press 3. For a Husky product, please press 4. For an EcoSmart product, please press 5. For a Defiant product, please press 6. For an Evergold product, please press 7. For all of the brands, please press 8. Thank you for calling Hampton Bay Customer Support. If you're calling about a Hampton Bay ceiling fan, please press 1. For patio, press 2. For lighting, press 3. For fireplace, press 4. For bath fans, press 5. For all other products, please press 6. Do you know that most ceiling fan replacement parts are available on HomeDepot.com? To locate a replacement part for your specific ceiling fan, search your model or UPC number on www.homedepot.com. Once you've located your product, select the replacement part list under the Information and Guide section. Answers to most of the frequently asked questions and step-by-step installation videos for your specific ceiling fan model can also be found on the product information page using the same search method. Please select from the following 3 options. Press 1 if you have the 12-digit UPC number, your receipt, or your instruction manual. You can find the UPC number on a silver sticker on top of your ceiling fan motor housing. As a helpful hint, try using a mirror or your smartphone to take a picture of the sticker. Please visit www.hamptonbay.com for assistance identifying your products. Press 2 if you cannot locate this information and you purchased your fan within the last 2 years. And lastly, if you cannot locate the UPC and you purchased your fan more than 2 years ago, please take a photo of your entire fan so we can research and identify your product. Once you have the picture, call us back and press 3. Thank you for choosing the Home Depot. This is Miranda. How can I help you?
Yeah, would you mind being able to tell me please if it's possible to get a replacement part for the Hampton Bay Reddington 4 ceiling fan? The blade is what I want.
I can. Okay. Do you have the model item or UPC number?
No, I don't. I just have the model name. It's a Reddington 4.
I'm sorry, which part is it?
The blade.
Number 9?
The blade. The ceiling fan blade,
Yes,
you know.
Yeah, it's possible to look for a different blade, but I need to have more information on the fan. On the top of the motor housing, usually we have a sticker, maybe a white or silver sticker.
Okay.
More information. Is it possible to see?
Is that on the ceiling fan itself, you mean?
Yes, on the top of the motor housing, usually there is this information.
Oh, okay, so on top of the house. And what is the information you need? Is it a UPC number, did you say?
Yes, the UPC number looks like 10, 12 digits number.
Oh, 10 or 12 digits.
Then with this information, I can. Yeah, 10
Is
or
there
12.
is there any other?
With this information,
Yes.
go ahead.
Is there any other information I can use besides the UPC number? Is there like another piece of information? If I can't find the UPC, what else could I use that would help?
Okay, item number, model, UPC number, SKU.
SKU or item number. Item number, where would I find the item number? Is that on the same sticker or?
Yes, it should be the same sticker.
Right, so on that sticker there should be a item number, a UPC number, and is it SKU number as well on the same sticker, or is that somewhere else?
No, it should be on the sticker.
Okay, so I need that. So I really need that to find that sticker to get the information you need.
Yes.
Okay, and that's on the how you said the top of the housing of the ceiling fan. Okay.
Yes. Usually there is. Can you see the information?
No, I have to go away and find it. Have a look. Can I call you back? Yep. Oh.
Oh, it's a.
Yep. So you can.
Yeah.
So you can do blades. If I can find that, you can do blades. What other replacement parts do you do? Do you do most replacement parts? Yep.
Yeah. Usually there are replacement glass shades,
Yep.
blade arms, blades, only the blades. Okay. Capacitor, receiver, light kit,
Okay.
the full chain. If it has a full chain.
All right.
Usually, but it depends on the item because if it's really old silicon, maybe we don't have parts. Okay.
Oh, okay.
We need to have
How old? A couple of years old or older or?
Okay, it depends on the stand because I have seen like 10, 15 years old stands and we have parts.
So as you can see there, you really need a UPC number, an item number, or an SKU number in order to really get the replacement part that you need, particularly for ceiling fans. I say the same goes for any of the other Hampton Bay items as well too. But again, it depends on the item as to whether you can get a part or not. She did say that some items they can get parts for that go back 16 years. Again, it just depends on the item you have and what they have in stock, I guess. Now, if Home Depot can't help you, then check out our other videos because on Hampton Bay replacement parts, because we have another option, a few options that you can use besides Home Depot in order to find your replacement part and also even get repairs done on your Hampton Bay items. So please subscribe and share this video so others can benefit from it, and check out our other videos as well too. Thanks for watching.